Guys, good evening mga ka-Whitey World. Ito ang room namin nung nag-concert si Mr. Randy Santiago, Mr. Shid of the Philippines, in Davao City, Grand Regal Hotel in Lanang, Davao City, guys. Yan, maganda ang lugar nila. Ang labas, swimming pool. Umaga to siya, guys, gishoot. Ito naman ang room namin, oh, ni Master Randy Santiago, may busing. Yan, guys, sa Grand Regal Hotel, Davao City. Junta Perla, Max Vlog. God bless you sa ating lahat.